Parents of 25-year-old pro cyclist Moriah or Mo Wilson have won a multi-million-dollar lawsuit against the woman who killed their daughter 2 years ago. A jury convicted Kaitlin Armstrong of murder in the fall, and now she's serving her 90-year prison sentence. KXAN's Brianna Hollis has covered that trial in depth, and she's joining us now in studio to tell us more about this latest legal action and how it's designed, Brianna, to make sure that Armstrong doesn't make any profits off the people that she inflicted pain upon.
Right, and as you know, this case and the Wilson family's pain caught the attention of people from across the country. And speaking of that pain, Mo's parents, Eric and Karen, absolutely poured their hearts out into this 15-page lawsuit, talking about how wonderful Mo was, how crushed they are, and about all the future plans they had with their daughter that were, of course, stripped away. We spoke with the family's attorney, who tells us this lawsuit had nothing to do with the Wilsons wanting to make a profit, but rather making sure Armstrong never benefits from her crime.
They had to come to Austin and spend weeks on end during the criminal trial, and it was a very difficult time for them.
We, the jury, find the defendant, Kaitlin Armstrong, guilty of the offense of murder.
Kaitlin Armstrong's murder trial ended 7 months ago, but the case drew national attention. Cameras from across the country flocked to the Travis County Courthouse.
And the purpose of the lawsuit ultimately was to make sure that Kaitlin Armstrong doesn't financially benefit from her acts.
A judge signed the lawsuit Monday, granting Wilson's parents a total of $15 million. Their attorney, Randy Howry, says the main point of this is making sure Armstrong doesn't profit from a future book or movie type deal. He believes such offers could arise because of how much attention the case got.
If there's ever an opportunity for her to financially benefit from this crime, this judgment will prevent her from getting that money before my clients are properly compensated.
And the Wilsons' attorney says there is currently legislation called the Son of Sam laws that prohibits criminals from making such profits directly. However, loopholes exist that could allow friends or family to receive money on a criminal's behalf, which is what this lawsuit aims to prevent. Britt.
Brianna, thanks for that. And another note tonight for folks, Armstrong does not have an attorney listed for the civil case involving this lawsuit. The suit states Armstrong never responded to it, but she did, however, previously appeal her murder conviction and has since been assigned a public defender for her criminal case.